In the last classes, we studied system of units, conversion of units, and how to use some practical units in your daily life. Also, how to measure the large distance of objects. Okay? And also, I taught either SI to CGS or CGS to SI, meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter, kilogram to gram, gram to kilogram, and also at the same time stress kg per meter cube to gram per centimeter cube. So stress units, that pressure Pascal, okay, Newton per meter square or into time into centimeter square. But today's topic is what is parallax method, what is parallactic angle and basis. Let us start. Today our topic is parallax method. Parallax method. Don't think that here the case, the two lines are parallel to each other. So, what is the meaning? What is the use? Actually, the meaning is, meaning and definition. It is an indirect method which is used to measuring large distance of planet nearby star, that means alpha Centauri from the Earth. Again, I am repeating. Suppose anybody will ask you what is parallax method. It is an indirect method, one type of method, which is indirect method, which is used to measure the large distance of sun or nearby star. Okay, complete. Definition, this is the meaning. Definition is, it is the name given when there is change in the position of the object. When there is change in the position of object with respect to the diagram. While you are viewing the objects by changing your eyes. Just. And importance, this is the definition. Importance and where we will use. Importance. This method is used to measure the distance of star. Star means sun. Or nearby star is alpha Centauri. Alpha Centauri. This is the one nearby star. Where you will use, if your distance is 100 light years. 100 light year. From the beginning, I have told you light year is the unit of distance. 1 light year is how much? 1 light year is equal to how much? 9.46 into 10 to the 15 meter. So 100 light year, try to, so 9.46 into 10 to the 17 meter. If that distance is less than 100 light year, that method you will use. Now, you understood? Otherwise, उससे 100 लाइट ईयर से ज्यादा डिस्टेंस है, ये मेथड यूज नहीं कर सकते. उससे कम डिस्टेंस होगा तब मेजर करेंगे. क्लियर हुआ? For a better understanding, so you consider an example. Just I am giving one example. Just see, look at me and also board. Background is, suppose this is the blackboard. I am holding that pen. Okay, I am holding a pen. If you will, just try to listen. If you will see this object in your left eye by closing your right eye. Okay, first क्या करना है? Left eye में इसका सामने ऑब्जेक्ट, ये बैकग्राउंड हुआ, ये ऑब्जेक्ट हुआ, ऑब्जेक्ट पेन आप अपना आंखों में देखना है, लेफ्ट आई में देखना है, राइट आई को बंद करना है. ओके, फिर क्या करना है? राइट आई में देखना है, लेफ्ट आई को बंद करना. करके देखो. सो देयर इज चेंज इन द पोजीशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द बैकग्राउंड. थोड़ा सा चेंज होगा अपरेंट. करके देखो. देखो थोड़ा सा. So that is known as parallax method. So, but here suppose this is the object O. That object is O. We are considering that is pen. And this is the position of our left eye. This is the position of our right eye. Now you connect this one. It becomes one triangle. This is the left eye. This is the right eye. It makes angle theta. Okay. This distance suppose it is x. This distance suppose it is x. This is suppose you take base. Phi b. Now the distance between 2 points of observation is known as basis. That I have already taught in the indirect method. One video is there, but I am taking particularly this parallax method for your better understanding. The distance between 2 points of observation is known as basis. But here, what you are considering? Twice. So this distance is called basis. The distance between left eye and right eye. Okay. This is, if you will consider arcs. The arc. This is arc. Number of arcs make a circle. Arc. तो चापो कौन? ओके, तो वो सब मिलाकर एक सर्कल होता है. तो सर्कुलर पार्ट arc is elliptical, some part is circular in nature. So some part you are taking. This is the arc of length, and this is the radius. So what will happen? Theta is equal to how much? L by R. Okay, and R is equal to L by theta. And if you measure the length of arc by knowing the angle theta, so you can calculate the radius or distance of nearby star from the arc. But very interesting is, if the astronomical distance are very far from us, मून का डिस्टेंस हो, सन का डिस्टेंस हो, तो सबका डिस्टेंस क्या है? अर्थ से छोटा है ना, ज्यादा है? कम है ना, ज्यादा है? ज्यादा है नहीं. तो मून का हुआ कितना? 3,86,000. लेकिन सन का 15 करोड़ किलोमीटर. सो व्हेन द डिस्टेंस बिकम्स मोर एंड मोर, so angle becomes very small. Distance more and angle small. So you can get the more accuracy. So in this way, you have to calculate this value by using the parallax method. Okay? Thank you.